Hello everybody, good day. This is Fred with WentworthCCTV of New England, and we are coming at you today with a video on whitelisting or VIPing clients that are connected to your Wi-Fi system to ensure that they have a smooth experience on the network, that they have a smooth transition when roaming the facility and things like that. It's relatively simple to do, and we're going to cover it right now. All right, so let's get into the meat and potatoes. Before we start, you know the drill. There's a subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Please click that. That will allow you to be informed when we have updated content, when we upload new content. Also, like our video if it's useful, and certainly give us comments. These videos are all based on subscriber requests for information and content. So yes, this is a cloud management tool for access points. This particular software is EnGenius. Okay, we're on the EnGenius Cloud. And as you can see, we're at one of my campgrounds. It's Yogi Bear Park. There's 15 access points. We've got 69 clients on. There's a nice balance between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, although we'd like to see a little more people on the 5 gigahertz platform. And we've got 70 clients on. So what can happen is people may have issues, problems, depending on the type of device they have. They could have an old cell phone. They could have a somewhat functioning wireless card in their old laptop. But for whatever reason, they're having a problem connecting to the Wi-Fi, whether it's password related, device related. There's a disconnect there. So what we want to do is whitelist or VIP that client. So basically they bypass security protocols. The access point looks for the MAC address and basically gives it uninhibited access to the network. That's relatively easy to do. Okay, we're going to use my laptop for an example. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to log on to the premium of this campground. So let me disconnect from my network. And here we'll see Lakes Region Premium. Okay, so that is their premium speed internet. We're going to connect to it to get to the portal where it will ask for the username and password. And say we have a client that is having a hard time. Okay, so they're entering the username Mickey Mouse, right? And the system is going to say, hey, yo-yo, that's not your password. So we're going to get an error. It clicks us back to the login screen. Okay, so we are prompted to enter the password again. So at this point, we can't connect. But what we can do, at this point, the guest or the person trying to connect to your Wi-Fi, they're going to give you a call. They're going to come out and say, hey, I'm trying to get on the internet. I can't, right? We're going to get a complaint. So what we need to do is find that person. So we'll go to the dashboard and we'll find that client. Okay. And usually you can ask them what type of device they have and what access point they're on and figure it out. I know I'm on a Samsung laptop, and I know I am on the Wentworth demo access point. So we can, these are your list of access points. We're going to look for the Wentworth demo access point. Right there, WentworthCCTV demo. Right, there's my desktop. Okay, it's Samsung. We know that. So what we are going to do, see Samsung, we're going to hit VIP, right? And that is going to whitelist my device. We're going to give it access to the premium network, right? We're going to hit apply. Now the next time this device tries to connect to that premium, we're not going to have an issue on this screen. Okay, so let's try to connect again. We'll disconnect from my Wi-Fi and we'll click on Lakes region. Oops. There we go. Look at this, connected, secured. Okay, didn't ask us for anything. So we can go ahead and go on to do a speed test, and we should get close to 10 Mbps because that's what the bandwidth is limited to here. And look at that, there's 10 Mbps. There is a link above for downloading this EnGenius Cloud. It's free through EnGenius. You can connect their cloud-based access points. This one is an ECW 160. There is also ECW 260s that are Wi-Fi 6 weather rated. In the description, there are ways to order that. They also have the ECW 120, which is a great cost-effective cloud-based access point for interior locations. But that's how you whitelist somebody. That's how you streamline the process for them. They'll be able to roam seamlessly through the facility and stay connected as they move from access to access point with this VIP or whitelist function. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the campgrounds and have a good day.